Welcome to my channel. Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing wonderful. For this video, I'll be relocating my 4 Dreamin hydrangeas over to the north side. I have 3 on this bed and 1 kept in the garage all winter. I'm moving them because they've been wilting here on the east side from the late morning sun. This is the bed I'm going to move them to. This is the north side of the house and it's more shaded and it gets a little bit of the early morning sun, so they should be fine here. But I'm gonna have to clean this bed up first. I will be taking out those 2 bushes on each side so I have room for my hydrangeas. Okay, let's do it. I'll prune this shrub smaller so it's not in the way when I dig it up. Finally, 1 down, 1 more to go. And there. Now checking for other plants I need to dig out. This is the bleeding heart plant. It's early spring in April and they're starting to wake up. I'm gonna put it in a container for now. I also have a lily in the corner here, but it can stay here. I will not touch it. And I see little sprouts. This is my tough stuff mountain hydrangea that I will be moving to the side. Now putting some biotone into the hole before transplanting this tough stuff hydrangea. Have to make a few adjustments. And done with that.
There.
Now I'll be digging out the bleeding heart. Now it's time to get the LA Dreamin hydrangeas. This was their temporary home until I could relocate them to the other side. All the plants are still dormant right now, so it's the safest time to move them. So they're all set up where I want them. I have one more. I have to go get it from the garage. So I'm gonna have to move them a little further because I have 4 of them. And this is the one that's in the garage. It's stored in here all winter. I've just been checking the soil all winter so it don't dry out. Kept it moist. And it's looking good. Let's bring it out. Start planting. Some biotone at the bottom of the hole. And scratch it into the soil. I also mixed some compost to the soil for filling in. And there you are. I'll just add a layer of compost to the top of the soil. And here's another new hydrangea bed. They're still very much dormant, but pretty soon they'll be showing off their colorful blooms. It's time to water it well. Our pipes are still frozen at this time, so I cannot use the hose. I came back after a while to prune the dead sticks off this tough hydrangea. And that's my spring transplanting project. Thank you all for watching. God bless and happy gardening!